Hello folks, this is Mayuresh. So I'm just making this video to demonstrate how to operate this particular washing machine. So this is just to make sure that everything goes smoothly and there are no unnecessary errors or mistakes and it doesn't get damaged inadvertently, etc. As you can see, so this is a Bosch washing machine, and it is not only a washing machine but it is a washer dryer. That means it has an inbuilt heater dryer that will completely dry your clothes. That means no need to put them for drying and all. So I will just show you how to operate. So obviously the first step is to check the main supply switch. So this is currently off, so I'm just going to switch it on. And now coming to its panel. Now currently this is in the off position. So from off position, you just rotate it clockwise approximately 90 degrees so that it will go to the daily wash option. So this is the option that you have to select. So this is sufficient for all kinds of clothes, formal, informal, inner, outer, cotton, or even synthetic fibers, everything it will suit. Now here, this is the LED panel. So only the dry option you have to select. Okay, gently press on this dry once only. So it shows this wardrobe kind of a, this LED symbol. So that means it will be wardrobe dry. That means you can directly keep the dried clothes in it wardrobe. So that means it is the wardrobe dry option we have chosen. So that is the only option you have to select. So I will just show you how to load the clothes. So before loading the clothes in the washing machine, we have to make sure that the clothes are not, above a certain weight. Because if you overload the washing machine with too much weight, then it reduces the life of the washing machine, or it may vibrate much, or it may even get damaged and all. So don't take risk. At one time, you can put 4 kg of dry clothes into the washing machine. Now, if you put it in this kind of a bucket, then what will happen is that the bucket weighs around 500-600 grams. So, including the weight of the bucket, the total weight should not be more than 4.5 or 4.6 kg. So, what you can do is that you can use this kind of a weighing scale. See, now it is less than 4.4 kg. So now this is definitely within the limit. So this uh, door you have to just open. Okay, so open the door and just put all the clothes inside this, and you just close, make sure that it is nicely tucked in, and just gently close this door. So before actually starting the machine, obviously you have to put the washing powder. On this left side we have this drawer kind of thing. So this drawer you have to just pull out. Now in this drawer there is this right side tray kind of thing is there. So there you have to put washing powder. Now for washing powder you have to specifically use only the front load washing powder. So any brand is okay. I generally use Henko, or you can use Ariel also, you can use Surf Excel also, or any other brand also. But make sure that it is front load washing powder only. Don't use top load or any other normal washing powder, etc. So I'm just going to take one scoop full of washing powder, and this you can put it into this drawer. So right side this drawer is there, so you can just put it. That's it. So we have put the washing powder, and you can just close the drawer now. So just close this drawer. Okay, just like this sound should come. Okay, so now the only thing you have to do is to press the start button. Okay, so start, just gently press it like this. So see, now there is some activity and some sound, and it has started. Okay, so now it will take around 4+ hours to completely wash and dry the clothes. So if you don't want to dry the clothes, then you don't select that dry option. So this is how you do it. And after this I am going to show you the unloading part. Okay, so the washing is done now completely. What you do is that you just open this door. Now sometimes this door may not actually open, so this door remains electronically locked during the entire duration of the washing. So you once you have started the machine, you can't actually open the door in between or stop the machine in between, etc. So you have to go as per the program and let it complete, and after the completion only it will let you open. Okay, otherwise it can be dangerous. So it is electronically locked, so don't try to forcibly open it. So in that case, what you have to do is that you just press this start reload button once again a little bit, just in case it doesn't open. Now in this case it is opening, but just in case, so you have to press this start button like this. Okay, so that it gets reset and then it will open. Okay, so don't forcibly open. Just if you can only gently open it, then only open it. But if it is not opening even after a gentle pull, then that means it is electronically locked. So don't try to forcibly open it in that case. So as I said, you just have to toggle this start button a little bit or press it once or twice, and then it will open actually. Anyway, so now it is opening. So see, the laundry is done and it is dried, and you can just use a bucket and just take out all the clothes that are there. Okay, and okay, so like this you can just collect all the clothes that are there. So see, these are completely dry clothes now, there is no moisture in them. So this is the way you have to unload it. So after the unloading is done in this kind of a bucket and all, so obviously you have to just make sure that you close the door once again, and just gently like this, and again this program selector you put it to the off position. Okay, and the main switch also you just switch off. Okay, so now the machine is ready for the next person's use, and make sure that there is a half-hour gap between two consecutive uses of the machine. So if you continuously keep it on for a long time, maybe its life will shorten or it may damage soon or something like that. So don't put it back to back washes. So once one unloading is done, so give at least 30 minutes gap and then only go for the next loading. Okay, so these are the best practices and procedures.